Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today, see this slide you're seeing were created with ChatGPT. And in today, if you stick to the end of this video, you will be able to learn two different genius ways to create a PowerPoint using ChatGPT. So let's dive into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go to ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate a presentation outline for us. In ChatGPT, we want to be able to write the prompt. So you are an expert in creating pitch decks. Generate a PowerPoint deck for a start up that specialize in affordable housing in real estate. Structure the presentation into the following sections: problem, solution, competition, marketing plan, business model, and fundraising. Use maximum of 8 slides. So now the outline is coming up for us. So it's already there. So what we need to do is to copy a slide from 1. You want to copy everything to 8. Ctrl C to copy, and then let's open a Word document. In this Word document, we want to be able to paste it. Right click and paste as match format so that we can keep the format for us. Now that we have our content here, let's do some clean up to remove the page that we don't need. Next step is crucial. Make sure you save the file before you leave a space so that we can have the file. So let's press Ctrl Save As. Let's put it as housing. So save this. Now that we've been able to save this, so we want to be able to format it in a certain way that is useful for PowerPoint. So to do that, click on the headings, press Ctrl and highlight all the headings. Once highlighted, open View tab, click on Outline. You want to change all these headings to level 1. And let's do the same thing for the body text as well. Press Ctrl and highlight all the body text. Click the body text again. Click level 2 for this. Once you've been able to do this, press Ctrl S to save and close the outline view. This means like we already get our document ready for PowerPoint. Let's close this Word document and open PowerPoint presentation. Click on the blank presentation. Once we have a blank presentation, click on New Slide. Click on Slide from our outline and click on our file that we have. You can double click on it to have it imported to the PowerPoint. Now we have our slide right here in the PowerPoint. Everything is looking good, but it's not really PowerPoint ready. So one thing we want to do, we want to format this. Let's use our designer app to verify this for us. So click on the heading, which is the first one, and look at the design. The caption your attention. If you need to change any of the visual design, if you don't like one design, just click on the slide. The designer will generate a new slide that you can pick from, so you can change as needed. So let's see what we've been able to create, and this is our design right now. On the second method, we can get PowerPoint ready in a few seconds with the help of ChatGPT and also our Visual Basic application, which is VBA. VBA is a powerful programming language that allows you to automate tasks in Excel or in PowerPoint. And today, let's go into ChatGPT to write few prompts to use this Visual Basic. We want to use this VBA to create a PowerPoint of a beautiful island in the Mediterranean Sea, Ibiza. So let's go to ChatGPT to write a VBA code in this. Now that we are in ChatGPT, we want to type write me VBA PowerPoint code on holidaying in Ibiza. Use 8 slides. Click OK, and this will generate the code for us. Once the code is generated, copy this code and let's go to our PowerPoint. Open a PowerPoint blank page. We want to go under the file, go to Option tab, and here click on Customize Ribbon. And on the main page on the second tab, scroll down until you see Developer tab. Click on it and click OK to add this Developer tab. Click on this Developer tab that we just added. Click on Visual Basic. You want to click on Insert Module, and this will open a blank page for us. So you can click inside and press Ctrl V to paste your code. Press Run. Slide has been created for us. Let's beautify this with the help of Designer. So we want to click on Designer tab. We can start from the top. So let's look on the design that we like. I like the second one, and I'll click the next slide and choose what you like in the design. I think I'll choose this one. So keep going and I'll choose what you like. With the help of AI, we are able to generate our slide with a few clicks. Now that we have our content ready, you will be ready to wow your audience with the visual appealing of these slides. I hope you found this tutorial informative and helpful. If you do, please subscribe, like and share the video so that other people can learn the time-saving tricks and techniques that I show you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.